We have here the Three of Coins energy. This is an energy here of someone praying and gusto niyo dito mag-establish ng very strong connection with you guys. Okay? For some reason, parang may energy siya rito na nag-try na siya pero gusto niya ulit i-try. Why is that? Let us see. Definitely may conflict dito. Halos maglaglagan na yung ating mga cards sa ating table kung makikita ninyo. So it looks like this person here, pwede rin kinakabahan, may halong kaba. Let us see. Who is this person here? At bakit gusto niya muling i-try? Okay. I just got this message, no? We have here this King of Swords energy. It looks like this person here is very firm, no? And I'm seeing two birds right in here, no? And there's this three butterflies na indication na parang hindi siya dito makikipag-usap sa iba, magiging strict siya. This person here is someone who is making a decision na kahit may ibang lumapit sa kanya, tatanggihan niya. So I think this person here is someone with the butterflies who wants to create some kind of changes in your love life or your connection with him or her. Yeah, something no related here with your love life. Na parang hindi ako kakausap ng ibang tao. Ikaw lang. Or hindi ako mag-e-entertain ng iba, ikaw lang. Yun oh. O tapos o tapos, alamin natin. Could be seeing a lot of mirroring numbers or repeated numbers. Just take how this resonates, alright? Okay. I'm seeing right now in my vision, maybe someone right here loves singing. Or maybe someone here is a music lover, no? Or someone na part na ng kanyang daily routine ang pakikinig sa mga music, palagi may earphones, no? May headset, may headphone, yan, no? Listening to music right in here, no? There's something about a song, about a music, no? With this Nine of Coins energy, this captured, no? Okay? Someone here, no, could be, love listening, no? Sa music, 'no? Parang yung energy daw is yung calming, 'no, ng pakiramdam 'pag nakikinig, 'no? Parang huni ng mga ibon, 'no? Yung parang, province vibe, 'di ba? Yung parang pagbukas mo ng bintanang gano'n, 'no, sa probinsya, bukod sa fresh ang air, mga babes, 'no, super ganda sa pandinig nung mga huni ng mga ibon, 'di ba? Parang feeling mo malayo ka talaga sa polusyon. Pero 'pag dito sa Maynila pagbukas mo ng bintana niyo 'no, yung bahay agad ng kapitbahay yung bubungaran niyo. O kaya pagbukas mo ng bintana niyo 'no, nausukan ka kaagad 'no, ng tambutso ng tricycle. So, may gano'ng klase wow, we've got here the star. May gano'ng klase ng energy 'no, yeah. Maybe you both are music lovers or maybe you love music. Doesn't have to be that you are a singer, but maybe 'no, meron ditong mahilig kumanta or baka meron talagang maganda yung boses 'no, dito. Baka voice niya or voice mo, something to do with music right in here. Yeah, we have here the Five of Coins and there's this yeah, okay, there's something yeah, I just heard to carry on. Okay, with this 10 of Wands in your yeah, we're hearing that song. This is our song. This is our song we'll remember forever. So yeah, whoever this energy is, no, maybe you have this theme song. And for some reason, I do pick up no, na ito yung pinanghuhugutan niya rito ng strength, ng lakas right in here, no? And with the Five of Coins, you are in separation. Yeah, whoever this energy is, no, maybe you are not in relationship right now with anyone, and this person here is someone no na nakikita rin natin rito no na yung kanyang heart ay nakatied only sa'yo. So whatever the case may be, because there's another energy popping out right in here no, I do not see that this ex of yours loves kung sino man yung kasama or ka-connect niya ngayon, like hindi no. I do pick up right in here others of them, they could be connecting here with someone else, no, but there's no love. But for others of them, they're single right now. Okay? And ikaw din ganon. Okay? And with that, to carry on that we've heard, no, with this 10 of Wands energy, no, this is an energy right here, no, na parang may energy rito, like theme song yung nakukuha ko rito. You have this theme song, no? Meron kayo ritong song na posibleng way back before, no, is napagkasunduan nyo rito, no, na maging theme song ninyo because you relate so much with that song. But for others, there's a very strong message, no? Yung theme song ninyo, ikaw mismo nag-isip nun, tas nag-agree na lang siya, no? So, pwedeng ikaw talaga, yeah, we have here the sun, no? Sumasaya siya rito 'no, kapagka naririnig niya or pinakikinggan niya ng paulit-ulit like a cassette tape 'no, na paulit-ulit rito 'no, sa kanya ritong head. Okay, so dito siya humuhugot ng lakas sa inyong theme song. We have here the temperance, we also have the strength siya. Yeah, no, we're talking about here strength 'no. So kapagka feeling niya rito imbalance yung pakiramdam niya, feeling niya rito something's not right sa kanyang mood, this person here 'no, just listen to your theme song, ano man yang love song ninyo na yan, na ikaw yung pumili 'no, and then I do see na yun yung nagtatawid rito ng kada araw niya to carry on sa kanya ritong day to day na mga gawain or kanya ritong day to day life 'no. So dun siya humuhugot rito, kumukuha ng pag-asa with the temperance energy. Let me just finish first 'no. Now we've got the magician and the 5 of Wands, Ace of Swords 'no, the magician. Look at that, we've got the magician twice. Okay? So definitely your person right in here 'no, nakikita ko rito, look at that 'no, the difference is that this is more colorful than this one, isn't it 'no, sa isang tinginan dito. So meaning to say 'no, when your person here 'no is manifesting, kay dito ano ba mina-manifest niya rito, simple lang mga mahal, Ace of Swords 'no, kausapin mo siya ulit 'no, pansinin mo siya ulit, 'yan 'no. And kapagka nawawalan na siya dito ng pag-asa, nakikinig lang siya sa inyong theme song. Ano ba yung theme song ninyo? Comment down below, 'no? Para naman may idea tayo dito sa tsismisan ng inyong love life, 'no? And yun nga 'no, kapag nakikinig na siya nun, pagtapos niya makinig nun, at uulitin niya na naman 'no, nagkakaroon siya rito this, vivid or colorful dito 'no, na magician energy 'no, is lumalakas yung loob niya, nagkakaroon siya ulit rito ng pag-asa 'no. So definitely your person is manifesting this Ace of Swords 'no, pansinin mo siya ulit, kausapin mo siya muli. Knight of Pentacles energy is an energy here of someone coming in full sincerity, and now we've got the Page of Cups, definitely. This person could be younger than you sa age but doesn't have to be, or maybe siya ay immature, okay, or mas mature kayo sa kanya. Just take how this resonates 'no. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron pa tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link 'no para kayo mapunta there. Araw-araw nag-a-upload tayo mga mahal na readings doon 'no. Kaya naman pick up only the messages na nag-resonate for you or you feel connected doon sa messages. Okay? So aside from that, no, wala rin tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, pwedeng i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit po yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will. Like, free niyong gamitin yan. It's up to you kung i-claim niyo yung mga mensahe or not, no? And also, this is timeless. Ang ating mga readings, no, kahit na super tagal na yan, kung tinatawag ang atensyon ninyo, that is the meaning of timeless. Ibig sabihin, yun pa lang yung tamang time para buksan mo yan, panoorin mo yan, at marinig mo ang mga nakapaloob na mga messages. Okay, ang timeless ibig sabihin puwedeng tapos na, nangyari na sa iba, yung mga ibang mga babanggitin, sa iba naman nangyayari na ngayon sa kasalukuyan or present moment at sa iba naman ay hindi pa mangyayari pa lang, okay. Parang prediction sa inyong future, mapa near future, immediate future, distant future, but this one is not a distant future, hindi gano'n katagal dahil ito ay mas napi-pick up natin na ito ay mangyayari na or high chance nangyayari na ngayon sa present moment 'no. This person is patuloy na nakikinig sa inyong love song 'no, na nakikita natin dito na posibleng naiiyak siya, nalulungkot siya dito sa inyong separation 'no. Pero kahit na 'no, nalulungkot siya doon sa love song na yun 'no, magkahalo mix, magkahalo yung emotions niya, nalulungkot siya and at the same time masaya din siya 'no. Five of coins to the sun energy. Okay, kasi ikaw yung pumili nung kanta na yun or yun yung kanta kasi ninyong dalawa na parehas ninyong pinag-agrihan 'no. Alam mo 'di ba kapagka pumipili ang couple ng kanilang theme song, 'di ba? Which is, alam naman natin 'no, hindi lahat ng couple may theme song pero halos 'di ba karamihan sa mga couple 'no ay may theme song 'no, kung saan nakaka-relate sila sa song 'no. And I do see that when this person here plays this particular or specific song 'no, nalulungkot siya and at the same time 'no, nagiging happy siya kasi naaalala niya kayo, okay. Others of you, if this is not the theme song right in here, maybe this is your favorite song and this person here happens to know that because nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon before 'no. So nabanggit mo, "Ito yung favorite song ko rito babe," or "honey," or "love," "mahal," "asawa ko." Ano man ang inyong endearment or tawagan, just take how this resonates, 'no? But definitely, this person here is listening to that, 'no? Paulit-ulit niya itong pinapatugtog, 'no? Lalo na ngayon, okay, madali na lang mag-download ng mga kanta, madali na lang mag-save sa mga playlist ng mga kanta, 'no? As long as you have a load, as long as you have Wi-Fi, 'no? And nowadays, advanced yung technology, 'no? Bumili ka lang talaga ng earphones, plug it sa iyong cellphone, and then voila! Diyan meron na kayong maririnig 'di ba, na mga songs 'no. And this person here keeps on doing this 'no. Actually in picking up someone 'no, na 'pag narinig niya na yung song, uulitin niya ulit or naka-repeat yun, naka-repeat yung mode nun 'no. So nakikita natin na ito yung pampatulog rin niya 'no, before he or she goes to bed. And kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, when he or she feels like wala siya ritong balance, this person here is just listening to your theme song, 'yan 'no. So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this person here is hoping, 'yan 'no, kasi nawawalan na siya rito ng pag-asa. Strength card energy is an energy right in here 'no, na parang kinakaya niya na lang just to carry on 'no, and marami kasi ditong mga conflicts surrounding your relationship, especially now. But this person here is manifesting with the magicians. Okay, it so happened that in this deck we have two magicians 'no. Actually yung deck na ito na gamit ko 'no, ang deck na yun may dalawang star, energy at merong dalawang magicians. So you happen to get this two magicians energy right in here 'no. This person here is definitely with the magicians, manifesting this, communication na kausapin, more likely pansinin mo siya ulit 'no, 'yan. So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to na maaaring hindi mo siya pinapansin, okay, puwede rin namang gumagawa na siya ng actions because, okay, Ace of Swords also means actions 'no, taking place. But maybe this is you, you're not paying attention, you're ignoring this person or puwedeng you're avoiding this person. But this person, patuloy siya ritong mina-manifest ang communication between the both of you guys. A lot of sincerity coming from this person with the Knight of Pentacles. And this person here is offering you once again 'no, this big chalice of love. Hindi lahat ng tarot decks ay may malaking hawak na chalice ang Page of Cups. But here, this person here 'no, tignan mo mas malaki pa sa mukha niya. Mas malaki pa sa bewang niya, itong chalice na hawak niya. So, definitely nag-mature na itong person mo dito. This person right in here is someone, 'no, I just saw thorns. So, maaaring, nasugatan, nasaktan niya kayo rito, 'no, at posible mga bibs, 'no, na itong person na 'to, 'no, is someone na possible na may itsura to some of them. But for others, 'no, puwedeng malakas yung appeal nila or charming sila. But whoever this person here is now hoping, okay? Kahit na at times, actually hindi nga at times eh. Kahit na parang may mga times sa araw-araw, no, na parang nawawalan siya ng pag-asa with the strength energy, okay? Tinutuloy pa rin niya. Kasi naniniwala pa rin siya lalo na kung kayo yung pumili ng team song niyo dati, naniniwala siya, eh, 'no? Kasi yung team song na pinili ninyo swak, eh, or pasok sa banga para sa inyong love story, 'di ba? So, lumalabas dun lalo na kung meron dong very, very strong na mga lyrics, 'no? Like puwedeng may na-mention dun, 'no, na mamahalin mo siya forever or walang makapagpapahiwalay, mga gano'ng klase ng very strong, points or very strong words 'no, sa loob nung song, yun yung nagbibigay ng pag-asa rito na one day kakausapin or one day papansinin mo din siya ulit, okey? So yeah, whoever this person is 'no, kasama rito ang pakikinig ng inyong love song araw-araw sa kanya ritong biyahe papunta man rito sa kanyang work at pauwi 'no. Basta everyday this person here is listening to that song 'no, and sometimes sinasabayan niya ito 'no. This person has this mixed feelings 'no. This person here is sad and at the same time happy because he or she remembers you while listening to your theme song right in here 'no. But definitely this person here is trying to carry on. So yeah, for the initials, yes, we do have capital letter M, labasin. Akala mo nasa bingo lang tayo eh. Capital letter R, no? And we also have here other letters. We've got G. We also have here the letter H. And dito rin ang letter E. Of course, mawawala bang letter I. We also have here the letter N. And last but not the least, the letter O. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you again, I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang Heya, love and light. Annyeong.